This is Nova X crypto project, of which you can get an airdrop of 10,000 NEX tokens on this particular airdrop. Okay, so this project is with 6 billion NEX tokens, of which you can just farm your airdrop from it, as simple as that. Okay, and you can as well use this crypto project to make something cool for yourself before it launch. Okay, so if you want to get into it, just check through the description. The first thing, that's the platform link or the crypto project link. Just tap on it and you'll be landed here. Then you click on the launch application here. So at the registration page, you enter your username, which is a combination of numbers and letters with a minimum of 8 characters. You enter your password, you confirm your password, then you see the invitation code on the screen. Tap, you enter the invitation code here, then you check the agree button here to agree the terms. So after successful registration, you need to go ahead to link your Google Authenticator to it. Okay, for account or asset security by clicking on link now here. So here you need to go and download the Google Authenticator app from Google Play Store App Store. If you don't have it, go to your Google Authenticator here, you click on next on the platform, then here you copy the private key on the Google Authenticator, then you click on add, then you click on the add here, click on enter setup key, then you paste the setup key or the private key copy from the platform here. Then at the account name, you give it a name, let's say Nova AI, Nova X here. Okay, then you click on add here, then you see it will be added successfully here. Okay, then here you'll be asked to copy the 6-digit code which is generated by the Google Authenticator here. So you go to the Google Authenticator, then here you copy the code here. Okay, you just tap on it to copy, then go to the platform, then you paste it at the Google Authenticator code section here. Then boom, you have access to the dashboard, okay, of which you can use this platform to get something cool for yourself as well. So here when you go to my assets here, you see you get 10,000 NEX tokens. Okay, and you have other assets here as simple as that. And also you can just perform certain tasks by going to the discover section here to get some NEX Airdrop tokens. When you just join their Twitter or X account, you get 1,000 NEX tokens. When you join the Telegram account, you get tokens. Join the YouTube channel, you get tokens as well. Okay, here's where you can as well use this platform to generate something cool for yourself. Okay, all that you have to do is that you click on the AI section here. Then on the AI section here, they have 3 ways of which you can get some tokens from it. Okay, so here they have the conservative, stable, balance, and aggressive. The conservative is 1-day cycle, so the amount that you can use to unlock the conservative, after 1 day you get your earning from it, then you can withdraw. The stable is 7 days with a rate of 5 to 6%. The balance is 15 days with the rate of 13 to 14% in that order. So if I want to go to the stable package, I click on the stable here. Then here I have a list of tokens that I can use to generate something. If I want to use USDT to generate something cool, you just go ahead to click on the USDT. If you want to use BNB, Ethereum, or TRS, you select that one. So you go to USDT section here. So the USDT section here, the minimum amount that you can use to unlock is 20 here, and the estimated profit will be here. So for instance, if I enter 20 here, at the end of the maturity, I'm going to get 1.1 USDT here, and also create an AI trade and the AI feature on the crypto project to start earning the amount for you, as simple as that. Before you be able to use this section, unless you just bring money onto your account, so you go to the home section, click on deposit here, and here you select the asset or the token that you want to deposit to. So the USDT here, you click on USDT, click on confirm here. Then here the network type of the currency you want to use to deposit, you select if it is BEP20, TRC20, or ERC20, you select that. So the BEP20 here, you click on confirm. Then here you copy the BEP20 address here and go to any crypto exchange platform like Binance, OKS, and make deposit through to this BEP20 address, and within some short the amount will reflect in your account. And then you go to the AI section here, pick the AI smart trading engine that you want, being the conservative, stable, balance, or aggressive, depending on the one that you want. For instance, the stable, then the USDT amount will reflect here. Then you enter the amount, you see your maturity earning, then you click on the create AI for the AI to generate the income for you within 7 days for the stable one. Okay, as simple as that. And after accumulating cool cash, and if you want to do, just go ahead to click on draw here. Then the asset or the token you have money on, it will be here. If it is BNB, USDT, you select the confirm here. Then the network address that you want to use to receive your payment, you select that one. Being BEP20 TRC or ERC20, you select that one. For instance, BEP20 is selected. Then here you go ahead to enter your BEP20 address here. Then you enter the amount here. Then you click on withdraw to withdraw your fund. There's a network fee of $1 here. Okay, as simple as that. So if you want to invite your friends to enjoy on this crypto airdrop project here, you just go ahead to the main section, click on invite friends here. Then you copy your invitation link here and send it to your friends to register. And if they use your link to create an account, they will get 1,000 NEX tokens, and you to get a token for it. As simple as that. So if they use the AI feature to trade, you get a level 1 commission, which is 9%, level 2 is 8%, level 3 is 7%. As simple as that. Okay, one thing I want you to know is that there is a crypto airdrop project of which you can take time to read their roadmap to know where this crypto airdrop project is heading to, and how you can as well use this crypto airdrop project to make something cool for yourself. As a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you how I make money through platforms and crypto airdrop projects like this. So make sure you do your own research before you use the platform to generate something cool for yourself.